Well, we're here in Home Depot and we're checking out some new displays that just hit the shelf this week, on the 17th actually. And these are some new deals from DeWalt. And so these deals here are to augment what I showed you on the Home Depot live stream last week. These were not set up at the time. These were just set up a few days ago. Now, there's a suspicious one here I want to show you. I've showed you guys this in the past because this landed in our store early a few weeks ago, and there's something really strange about this. I want you to pay attention closely to this one. So if you look here, you see how they've got this Atomic 20 volt max brushless. This is the cordless 23 gauge pin nailer, and it says $249. And so it looks like, well, there's no sale going on, but I think there is, or there might be something coming up, but I'll show you in a second. So here you've got the Power Stack battery starter kit, and they're showing it at $159 as $10 off. Now that's fine. I've showed you that before. There's nothing new here. But walk around the back, and I want to show you the back of this sign. So when I come around the back of the sign and you look at it, it almost looks like it's saying if you buy this, which is the nailer, you'll get the charger for free. I can see it right there. It says get this free. So they've got it taped up, and I don't know if that's going to be changing and migrating into this part of the deal later on. But if you look at the time on there, which is strange. So it says there that that was supposed to be the deal on the 17th of July. And here we are past the 20th already, and we don't know if it's going to become this or if they printed this up and changed their mind or what. But I would watch this, because if you can get this with that as your buy one get one free, that would be killer. If he's $159, if you do the hack and you return this, they'll give you about half of that back. They'll give you about $80 back. So that would end up amortizing your cost of this down by $80 from the $249. You see, that's why I'm like on a pause on this, looking at this going, well, I don't know what's going on. It appears to be right now two separate tools, but I like that buy one get one deal on the back a lot better. Boom. See, I don't know what Home Depot has got up their sleeve on this, but keep your eye on it. Now here, I'm looking at these little tool deals right here. One of them here is this Flex Volt battery. So for $179, you're getting a 6 amp hour battery right here. And it's okay, it's not the best deal in the world, but it's not too bad either. Because if you look online, a 6 amp hour battery costs $199 by itself for the battery, and then you're getting a charger here. So yeah, not too bad. Now these other ones here, you can these are special buys, and you can see, like, for example, the circ saw was $269 and it's down to $199 now. And you can also see here that the recip saw is down to $199 from $259. But you really got to look and see what is the normal price that they normally sell it for here. A lot of times these was prices aren't all that accurate. Okay, so this display went up on the 17th of July, and this is good until September 3rd. The other display they have here from DeWalt is another buy one get one deal. You can buy any one of these tools right here, and then you can get here the Power Stack compact battery kit, right? Same one I just showed you a minute ago here. So it seems like all they really did here with these is they swapped the mode of the buy one get one. So previously you used to buy a battery starter kit to get a free tool. Now you're buying the tool and getting the battery starter kit for free. Same thing. It's really no different. I don't know why they bother flip-flopping these things like that. And then here you can get the exclusive 2-pack with the 5 amp hour battery and the 2. I would love to get this one. I still think that price is a little high. This should be the one they give you free, right, when you buy the tool. I'm always suspicious when they say special buy, but they don't tell you how much you're saving or if you're really saving anything. So this is an interesting pairing right here. You have that Atomic impact wrench and the ratchet kit with a Power Stack battery. So that's an interesting looking deal right there. And by the way, DeWalt's price on this is $20 cheaper than the Milwaukee. All of these are the same. I have the Milwaukee and the Ryobi version, and I tested them out, and they're both the same to me. And I'm sure the DeWalt is no different. Now this is an interesting creature right here, man. This is that DeWalt 20 volt brushless battery powered chainsaw. And this is a kit, so it comes with a battery, a 5 amp hour battery. I think this would be nicer if they made it a Flex Volt version, But this is still a brushless, and it's 12 inches. And then, of course, they have this stack here, which I showed you last week on the live stream, 129. And a lot of people have said they love this pruner. If it goes on sale below this even, I might hop off the fence and actually buy this one. So anyway, so that's it from here from Home Depot. I just wanted to show you these couple of deals here. Now these look like the same Ridgid deals they ran last summer at the same time frame here. Now you've got this new lower price on this 2-tool combo kit right here. You get the hammer drill and you've got the impact driver on there. So this 2-tool combo kit here is $229 down from $269. So, you know, it's okay. Not a huge savings, but it's a savings nonetheless. You could buy them individually as the hammer drill driver kit by itself, $199 from $229, or you can buy just the drill driver itself. Now, I myself think your life is going to be a lot better with a hammer drill than just a drill driver, because now you can go into concrete a lot easier. And I would much rather buy a kit that has both of these in it, you know, the impact driver with the hammer drill in it. Ridgid has their own version of the buy one, get one. Again, just like DeWalt, they did a role reversal on it. So if you buy any one of these 18-volt tools right here, you've got the hammer drill, the impact driver, circular saw, you got the reciprocating saw, the multi-tool, and you got that little one-handed reciprocating saw. Okay, so if you buy any one of these tools here, you can get the free battery kit right there. And this has a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery in it. So that's how that deal is working. So I'll put links to all of these down in the video description below for you. And I don't see any deal here on the vacuum. This is the 6-gallon one. I still like my little 4-gallon version better. And the horsepower is about the same on it, but we just don't have the price on this one right now. But I did find it over here in another location that has a $59.97 price on it, which is not that bad for the 6-gallon. Because look at this, this is the one I have at home. And the 4-gallon is actually more money, but they stocked up here, man. They must be expecting a lot of people to come in to take advantage of this deal. Thanks for joining us today, folks, and we'll see all of you on the next one.